Hello and welcome to this short video on active roles delegation. My name is Ian Stimpson. I'm a solution architect. Using access templates, we have the capability of delegating access to our administrators and users so that we can restrict and centralize the delegation that's appropriate to the level of access that is required. This removes what we refer to as excessive privileges and also permission creep that we see in organizations today. This helps to reduce the Active Directory attack surface and really improves the efficiency and cost reduction of administering Active Directory and Entra. The way that we embrace this technology or the capability is by using access templates. So we can see within here, I have an access template which is titled Help Desk Level 2. It applies to these directory objects and to these trustees. So anyone that is a member of these groups will have this access template and the ability to have the permissions over these directory objects. If we look in this Help Desk Level 2 access template, we can see that these are the permissions that are applied. So what does that mean? That means that when we go into the Active Roles console as one of the members of this group, in this scenario, into the Information Services group, we are logged in as our user Laurie. Laurie, when they go into the Active Roles console, they have these permissions that are applied to these directory objects to enable that delegated access. So if I was to select a user here, for instance, Chad Powers, we can see that the role enables Laurie as a member of that role to have the administration of these attributes over this user. Now, on the other side of this, if we looked at another access template, which is level 3, this gives a greater level of capability over the whole of my Active Directory environment for those members that are in this third line support, to which I am a member. So if I was to switch over into my console as myself, and if I was to select the user, let me select Chad again, we can see that I've got additional capabilities that have been delegated to this role. And in addition, I also have the ability to administer multiple Active Directory environments. So in summary, the value of active roles and delegation. We're providing the ability to centralize and drive the policy-driven delegation. This eliminates excess privileges, removes permission creep, reduces the Active Directory attack surface, and importantly, improves the operational efficiency and overall cost reduction of the organization. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to listen to this short presentation on active roles delegation.